Hi there, my name is Reina from Bonnie Curtis Projects, and I would like to welcome you back to our channel. In this video today, we're going to be incorporating some contemporary arms, flowing movement before going into house. So 4 counts of arms, 2, 4, and house for 4 counts. 2, 4. So you might like to, if you have a background in contemporary dance, really activating through that groove, but also incorporating the arms. So you might think that house is all about footwork, but in reality we want to include anything that is part of you. So your own movement, language and quality into the movement. So 4 counts, arms, 4 counts of house. So if that feels a little bit too rigid for you, let's break it up and do 8 counts of arms, 8 counts of house. And from there you might feel that you begin freestyling a little bit more and improvising using your own sort of flavor of movement. To end off our house fundamentals today, we're going to be incorporating this into a little improv. So to begin, we're going to be doing a little groove, whatever groove you like, for 4 counts. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we're going to go into house movement for the next 4 counts. So this might be your shuffle, or this might be your swerve, or a bit of skating. Or you might like to incorporate a little dolphin roll in there if you like. So we're going to be doing this with music, with your groove for 4 counts, and then house step for 4 counts. Essentially, house dance is a social dance, so you want to make sure that you keep the essence of having fun. And you might like to do this with a partner, doing 8 counts each, passing it between yourselves. But in this case, we'll just be doing it together, you and me. So I'm going to put some music on and we're going to do this together. And then I'd like to try another little thing.
Do our own thing, we just used to like
4 counts of groove, 4 counts of house.
all that sort of thing. We just used to like
You might like to start
do our own thing, we just used to like
before living.
all that sort of thing. We just used to like do our own thing, we just used to like all that sort of thing. We just used to like do our own thing, we just used to like all that sort of thing. We just used to like do our own thing, we just used to like all that sort of thing. We just used to like do our own thing, we just used to like all that sort of thing. We just used to like
Thank you so much for joining me. I look forward to seeing you in our next tutorial video. Don't forget to like and subscribe so that you can stay updated with our tutorial videos. We have them coming out each month. If you liked this video, please support us on Patreon. Your support helps make these videos possible. Check out the links to the video description below. For those of you who don't know who I am, my name is Reina Takeuchi and I'm a dancer with Bonnie Curtis Projects. We're an independent dance company based in Sydney, Australia. We create innovative, genre-defying and thought-provoking works. To find out more about us and our work, visit our website and follow us on social media. The links are in the video description below. Thank you for watching and I very much look forward to seeing you in my next tutorial video.